Hello, everybody. Happy Friday Eve. Yes, that's right. Happy Friday Eve. We all know it. We all love it. And what an exciting time Friday Eve is, I always say. You know why? Because when you wake up tomorrow, if it's nighttime for you, you get to enjoy a nice, crisp Friday. Nothing better, in my opinion. Though that's technically just my lowly opinion, so take it for what it's worth. But I am a man who has spent many Fridays enjoying the thought of a weekend. So, I don't think it's a bad opinion. God damn it. Alright. It's just, I need to charge the phone. That's the problem. So, the fact that I need to charge the phone means I need to fucking lean it so that I can keep track of the chat within the phone. I know there are other ways handling that, including having a goddamn whatchamacallit, a mag charger or whatever. There we go. Yeah, I was gonna say, gotta be careful with the cord. Okay. Still feels... I mean, it looks right. Oh, that's right. My volume was a little down. I was wondering why I sounded kind of quiet. Also, I think the camera's okay. Okay. Let's move on. It's Friday Eve. Let's set up the category correctly for Twitch. Why don't we? Because that's what a boss does. And last time I checked, I'm a boss. So, it's only natural that we do game development for the Twitch category. Fantastic. Now we can start. Piano's working fine. Still too small for me, but nothing I can do about it. See, I can't even play full songs because I don't have enough keys. So I get cut off. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Hey, Lorenzo! Yo! How you doing, bud? Welcome to the party. We are just getting started. You hit at the perfect time. So perfect that I don't even remember what I was doing yesterday that we were gonna fix. I know I did something off stream for a second. What did I do? Oh, I added names to the level selector. So that's a thing now. Even though my face is kind of covering it. You can see CEO office here. So now the levels have names. That's good. Still need to fix the whole I also noticed that I didn't have explainers at all in the enter new area function. So that's fun. Wait, where's the error? Is it because I was in the middle of typing? Why? Yeah, what was I doing? Oh, wait. Non-login. Oh, I doubled up. My bad. There we go. Sometimes I click Control D by accident. Or Command D. Thank you. Okay. Whew. I'll be honest, I'm one of those people that absolutely hates sneezing. Sneezing hurts my entire chest. Like it's bruised. Like I ruptured my sternum. So yeah. If I ever sneeze, know that I'm in pain. And I'm not happy about it. Enter new area. Okay. So what we did was I added explainer map and explainer menu items to the JSON that gets returned once you enter a new area, or at least use the function enter new area. That being said, so the actual call's right here. So now I have the new map items, and new map items should now include dish, map explainers, and menu explainers. So I need to do stuff with those basically. And what I needs to do is grab the game container to get it's a pain in the ass coding these viruses. I'm going to take a break from coding and I will be focusing on gaming now. Smart. Always take a proper break from coding. I'll be honest. I kind of spend all day working, which is coding. And then like, I want to go do something fun and it's coding. Which is weird because I'm not one of those crazy programmers that like tech is my entire life. Like I'm so obsessed with like finding the newest technologies and like going and coming up with new projects just to like test out new frameworks and, you know, reading about tech, going to conferences. Like I'm not that at all. But like I really enjoy creating, especially creating things that like I think might be successful. So that's why I made music, I made books, I made the game, and I'm always trying to come up with a new company idea, 3D printing products, that kind of stuff. So like it is kind of funny that I spend like most of my day coding, even though I'm not like obsessed with coding. I don't know, that might sound weird, but it's true. Like even my programmer friend Scott Weaver, who C Scott Dev, he, you know, he's way more involved in the actual programming scene than I am, and like he's more interested in the like science behind it and like what's the best, most performant, you know, the newest shit, and you know, newest tracking, newest databases, newest frame, that kind of stuff. He even comments like, "Oh, dude, you just code all day." The news that AI is evolving rapidly, I don't know, sure. I mean, I've known from the start that LLMs are snowball, you know, processes, right? Start slow, but as they get bigger, they go down a hill and they get bigger faster, right? It's a curve. It's not an S curve. It's just a curve. It's a ramp. Maybe it's an S curve. I don't know. Whatever it's called. On a graph's point of view, it gets faster as it gets bigger. So yeah, not surprising. In the next 5 years, it's going to be massive, especially with all of the newest generations of GPU graphics cards. You know, the newest NVIDIA cards and stuff like that, the newest Intel cards, the newest whatever AMD cards, all those that are like specific for the highest output of AI computing. That's only gonna make the abilities of LLMs to grow quicker as well. So not only are they gonna have more training data, but they're gonna have more power in order to ingest more training data in order to spit out more output. And they're all gonna be fucking verbose, you know, just like eating each other's ass constantly, growing and growing and growing and growing. I mean, yeah, I'm not surprised. Now, what that means for the future? I don't know. I've been using VO3, you know, to help with my animations. I mean, the walking animations here. I had it remake these basically, where it's very smooth and nice. Whereas if I tried to do this in Leonardo, you know, a year ago, it would be shit. And now Gemini or whatever, Google is offering the pro version of VO3 with AI generated sound. So you can have videos that have full sound now if you pay for it. It's crazy. I've seen some of the fucking commercials that they're creating with it. They're like legit. I mean, takes very little money. I mean, paying for the pro version is kind of expensive. Right now I'm paying for the $20 a month version just so I can get some credits to make these animations and introduction videos and stuff. But like paying for like the pro version, it's pretty expensive, but it's a hell of a lot cheaper than hiring an entire camera crew and stuff. Hey, Samanama. Samanama. Yeah, Samanama. What's going on? Welcome back. I recognize that fun name. How you doing? Hope you're having an amazing day, morning, night, whatever time it is for you. We were just talking about the rapid evolution of AI. What's new? I feel like I've spent about 50% of my streams and videos talking about AI. I guess when you're in the programming scene, that's not obscure. Your gen is already cooked with newer technology. We are cooked, boiled, fried. I'll tell you why we're cooked. I just realized that this was... You keep missing my streams? Yeah! Quit missing my streams, man. This is a new dot. It's .lol. That's a thing now. So now we can buy domain names like Orbem.lol. That's ridiculous. Like, it's so funny. I mean, sucks was funny enough. Orbem.sucks. That's funny. But like, Orbem.lol is kind of ridiculous. I know it probably stands for some sort of country code or something. Hold on, let me see this. Let's go to GoDaddy. So like, Orbem.lol. Just go to Orbem.games. You can play from there. It's this. Orbem.games. Nice and simple. Yeah, look at, I can get Orbem.lol for $2. Fantastic. There's so many weird dots now. Ooh, premium. lolm.com. What the fuck? Why would you want a lolm? I definitely need to get Orbem.life and Orbem.vip. Ooh, that'd be good for like a membership program, Orbem.vip. I like that. There's some fun ones. Ooh, so there's some fun ones. Orbem.fun. Have some fun with Orbem.fun. Why not? Yeah, some good ones in here. Yeah, look at that. Arbum.lol. Alright, bam. Ooh, that's only 4 letters. Oh, yeah, but it's .lol. Cool. And then there's Orbem.sucks. How much is that? Ooh, that's $100. Damn. Why, it's great. Orbem.com, same name, different extension, sold for over. Oh, wow. They bought Orbem.com for over $3,000. That's kind of cool. Yeah, Orbem.com is the egg company. Welcome to Orbem.com. We will sex your egg using AI. It's not a bad website. I mean, they didn't have me build it. It's a little slow, to be honest. This is definitely just like a video, right? Some sort of... I mean, if it's not a video... It's definitely a video. It's a very... Yeah, video player. Okay. It's just kind of a shitty quality video. Like, it shouldn't be blurry. So they... Oh, no shit. I didn't realize that. They're using WordPress. Nice. Hey, look at... Orbemortar.com and Orbem.com are both using WordPress. Though technically they bought Orbem.com and they redirected to Orbem.ai, which is kind of annoying. Like, I want Orbem.com. But that'd be annoying for them too, I guess, so... But look, WordPress. I'm not a robot. Let me log in. Oh, that's weird. Seems like they're not letting you go in. Well, let's see about that. Yeah, log in on PHP. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, look at that. It locks you out. They must have a VPN or something. Linux? What are you talking about? Oh, whoops. Yeah, just redirects. No, Lorenzo, where have you been? This is a WordPress game engine. Why would I use Linux? You can use anything. Yeah. No use using Linux. No, I'm on a MacBook Pro, so I'm using Mac. You'll find that these days web development, you don't need to be a crazy like tech genius anymore. How's that game you was doing? Some anima. The game's doing well. I added a few extra things. I got the level selector. It has names now, which is good. That'll come in handy. So you know what level you're on. Because the maps can be misleading because they're so big. So that's working. The only thing I'm trying to do now is I need to get, when you change a new level, I need to bring over explainer pop-ups in case I want to add some more tutorial things in other levels. Like when the HUD changes and you have like new characters and stuff like that, I want to be like, hey, look at these characters. Or hey, you know, she could do this. Which will come in handy. But, so yeah, I'm working on that right now. Which, I'm already removing everything so I don't have old ones when you change levels. The problem is, explainers in the map and menu, both of them weren't actually showing. I didn't pull them in. So, we need to do that. So the point is, container will now include all the menu specific explainers, which the menu explainers come from this call here. Not this call, from here. So now what I could do is simply I need to I don't need to I need to append the explainer HTML that's coming from the call. And that's kind of hard to do without screwing things up. I'm gonna try something real quick. We'll see if this works. So we'll do this if container and new, oh shit, new map items. It's called menu explainer. Is that what it is? Menu explainers. Then what we need to do is do container.inner HTML equals container.inner HTML plus this. Something like this. That's kind of the spiel. I don't know if this is going to work though. Let's check. I don't know what is a WordPress game or WordPress game is. I don't code games. I code viruses. Well, WordPress is just a content management system. It's like a system that you would use to build a blog on or a website or whatever. It just makes it easy for you to organize and, you know, write articles and stuff like that. But you can extend it to do a lot of things. There's full-on WordPress online e-commerce stores. There's pretty much any type of website you can imagine can be done on WordPress. So my website is built on WordPress, which is the management system that I use. I'm a WordPress programmer, so... Oh, you have to go? All right, Samanama. Thanks for jumping on, my friend. I'll see you in the next one, hopefully. So I built a plugin, that's kind of like the basis of what WordPress is. It's like plugins and themes that you can install and just use them to make website stuff. I built a plugin that is a game engine. You can configure a game in the WordPress dashboard, you know, without any coding involved. So that's what I'm using to build my game. And so I'm building the game engine and the game at the same time. Yeah. So anytime you see me in code, or anytime you see my website like this, this is all WordPress. So this is the WordPress dashboard. If you want to know what WordPress is, this is WordPress. So like this dashboard with all these options and stuff like this, this is like a system used to build websites. At its basis. Building viruses is fun though. You could build a WordPress plugin that installs viruses on people's pages. Plenty of those out there. This should work. Let's check it out. So now, if I do this, technically the explainer HTML should show up. Okay. So far, so good. Though it looks like something's broken. So maybe not so good. Let's see. Let's check in the game container what we got going on. I wonder if I got what I needed. Oh my god, I don't have it. Okay, in the main, here's the game container. Okay. Came out as object to object. Great. So that's not right. I don't know why. Okay, I know that one works fine. Yeah, so all of these are working fine. I wonder why menu explainer is not working fine. Let's double check what's coming out here. So like, what's another one? Map missions. So like map missions is, oh, I'm turning, yeah, the string into a variable. Right. I'm not just simply grabbing this. Okay. But map items, I'm just grabbing, right? Okay, so I need to figure out what I'm doing with map items. And I need to do that for this. So, map item style. Where's map items? Map items. Here we go. Map items. Plus map cutscenes. Blah, 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 blah. I'm not doing anything. Wait, why is that coming out object then? I'm doing nothing. Nothing special, at least. Is it because I'm... No. Huh. It's just coming out as an object. Menu explainer. Oh, menu explainer. Explore explainers. Okay. That's kind of weird. Map item. Oh, got it. So I really need. How the fuck? Wait. Hold on. I gotta see how I'm adding. How am I adding these normally? Oh shit! There's a function for this. I'm an idiot. My bad. Scuse me. So, in the function get Orbem area, I have the explainer shit here. Oh. Wait. I'm adding the wrong thing, aren't I? I am. Explainer menu. My bad. There we go. That was dumb. I was just adding the object. That's why. Alright, let's try it again. Boop. Yeah, okay. Dev mode. Dev mode's still not working. Something's happening. Let's check out the container again. There we go. Look at that. We have shit. Good. Explainers are now loading properly. Only problem is dev mode ain't working. I wonder why. Actually, yeah, there's definitely a console error that's happening. Well, there's two. Not supported error. Failed to load because supported source. Because no supported source was found. Yeah, I don't. Okay, let's check the network and see what the hell that means. Let's try this again. And see if we can see the actual failing error. Everything's working. So what the fuck is failing? Nothing. Guess we have some doubling up on things. No, that's the only one. Maybe. There are a lot of things loading, but they all look separate. I don't need jQuery. I don't know why jQuery's loading. Chimptastic. Interesting. Uncaught promise. Failed to load. No supported. What? Understand this error, please. Error indicates that the browser was unable to load a resource. What resource? Oh, audio. Maybe it was the audio file that's trying to load. Hmm. But I'm not seeing any failures. That's why I'm confused. Maybe it's this shit? But that shit's already loading. Doop. Bop. See, like, nothing's trying to load. That's what's confusing. Maybe it's just the level music? Whatever it is, it's blocking. Let's go to the areas. Let's see, does it have music on it? Has a map. No, see, it doesn't even have music. So what is it trying to load? And why is it blocking shit from happening? Oh, that did work. Why is dev mode not working? Dev mode be broken, mon. Does dev mode not load on new areas? Yeah, it does. I've loaded it before. Alright, so this is working. I don't know why dev mode's not loading. Maybe it's because I removed all the finder list items. But if I refresh, does it work? Yeah, see, it works if I refresh. Maybe it's because I'm removing shit. That might be why. Alright, well, let's keep going down the list. So we have that. Let's make sure that the other ones are loading as well. We'll do the map explainers. Needs to load. In the default map. Right here. New default map. Oh, we have to add this as well. New map items. Map explainers. Cool. So those should load now. That's fine. Now we need to add the dev mode list, which the dev mode list loads. I actually don't know where it loads. Where do you load, mon frere? This is inside container? Dev mode menu. Okay, so this is a very separate thing. Whatever, it's just this. Explore it. Yeah. And so this list I need to build. Actually, I should probably just do the same shit. So how am I loading the dev mode menu? It's its own thing. Dev mode. Yeah, this thing here. So I need to add the finder list. I guess I need pinpoint too. No, I'm not removing that. I guess technically I'm not adding it either. I need to add this whole thing. So this needs to be a get dev mode HTML. Same way I'm doing the other things. Yeah. Let's do that. Where is that? Yeah, because this is in the same spot as everything else. Right here. So I need to do like echo. yeah, whatever. I need to make a new function, but it's gonna be like this. Echo HTML. What was it? Entities? What was I doing? Entity decode. And well, this is gonna be dev mode. Dev mode. Get dev mode. HTML. Something like that. Cool. I think that's it. Inside of here. So now it's going to dev mode, which is a class, and add a get dev mode HTML function. Public static function get dev mode HTML. Which is gonna be this basically. Oh wait. How am I doing it for Explore? I'm doing basically like get map. Oh, I think I'm doing like yeah. I'll do this one a little bit differently, I think. Yeah, so this is fine here. Hey, Erdy Airsoft. What's going on, my friend? How you doing? I'm doing alright. Just working on this junk. It's fine, we can do this. Use Orbem game engine. Dev mode. Perfect. Get dev mode HTML. Get dev mode HTML. Yeah, so basically just be like this. Right? I think I need to return this, but we'll just leave it like this for now. Okay. Plugin dir path doesn't exist, but this plugin dir path does. Oh, except for that I'm in a static function. Public. We'll do that. Progress? Yeah, I've been making progress. Just working on some stuff I left out from the when you go to a new area. I need to add some more stuff, including dev mode and stuff, to the new areas. So I need to rewrite this whole functionality. And then in the explore function, this will be new dev mode. There we go. Right? Not found in string. I guess it's not, so I actually need to fix that. Yeah. So it needs to be like this. HTML equals, each of these is going to be its own line, basically. HTML, HTML. You can add more guns later? Hell yeah. Review my FPS game now. I just need to make the gun work. Cool, I can't wait to see it. Are you in the Discord? Can you show like screenshots and stuff? That would be pretty sweet. to see if I could. OB start. OB get clean. HTML equals OB get clean. You can't upload stuff on YouTube. Yeah, upload it into the Discord. Tell me what channel. I'll check it out. I want to see your game. It's very cool. Because that's a lot of progress compared to, I think, what you were trying to do before. OB start. Say it so, my love is electric. Oh, this is dev mode. Oh, I guess I could do it like that. Ah. Alright, I'm doing it wrong. Hold on. Go back to what I was doing. I'm an idiot. There we go. So you're supposed to just do OB start and then return OB get clean. Yeah, there we go. Much better. You gotta go? Sounds good. Have a good one, my friend. Hey, Dean TV, how you doing? Welcome to the party. Little song for you. You're gonna be back though? Alright. I'll see you when you get back then, my friend. Thank you for jumping on. Here. Yeah, so I don't need to do any of this. No, I do need to do this. Wait. Not found in string. What does that mean? Wait, how am I doing the other HTML? Like this. Oh. Right. I can make this a static function again. Hold on. Hold your horses. Static function. No, I guess I can't. But I should be able to do this. Just by doing new. Wait, what are these coming up with though? Yeah, I guess it's all just strings that I'm returning. But I mean, technically I'm returning a string as well, so I'm not worried about that. But yeah, Orbem order, dev mode, yes. And then the last function is right here. Get dev mode HTML. Missing return type. No. Yeah, false or string. And then here. This should be it. Required parameter plugin. I shouldn't have to return that. What? What is going on here? What? Why is it making me do that? Is it? Yeah, it's not making me do that for this, even though this requires one. Huh. Explore. Dev mode. Is it because I'm using this differently? Oh, is that why? Because I wasn't making it a function? Hmm. No, I don't need to do that. New dev mode. Dev mode. Hold up. What the hell's going on here? We may do this. Dev mode. Equals new dev mode. Don't worry, it's your time. Shouldn't have to do that. Yeah, because I'm definitely not doing this on any other function. Maybe because they're static function. Oh wait, look right here. See, I'm doing this. It's for a static function though. Son of a bitch. God damn it. I hate this static bullshit. Alright, well let's switch it back to static, I guess. And then let's go to... Oh, I can actually get rid of this now. There we go. Let's go to dev mode. Let's switch this to static. But then I need to get the plugin dir another way, which is going to be get plugin plugin dir file. It's like that, right? What is it? It's plugin dir, I think. I think that's right. Plugin dir file. Plugin dir file. Okay. I think it's plugin dir. Let me double check that. It's plugin dir path. That's what it is. Alright, let's see what we get. No, that didn't work on some of them. Let's double check what the path is. Guaranteed it's not what I want. Where's my var dump? Game over notice? Game container? Oh, here we go. I'm getting plugins Orbem game include. That is not correct. Is this inside? Oh, this is inside include. So I need to go templates. There we go. Gotta know where you are. Alright, this should work now. God damn it. God damn it. I keep clicking buttons that are not there. Yay, there we go. Oh, here we go. Undefined variable. Item list. Oh. Okay. Item list. That must have been inside here. Right, this whole thing. Oh, that's kind of annoying. Maybe we can pass these to the function. Let's do that. Smart. Item list. Triggers. Which means we'll have to pass this as well. Unfortunately. Oh no, just item list. Yeah, that's all it needs. Cool. Grand. Let's see if that worked. Yay! Okay, that worked. Uh-oh. Where did the thingy go? It's gone. That's weird. So when you do this... Oh, it's covering it. Shit. Well, that's not good. Alright, whatever. We got that working. Now let's use this. In motherfucking the function. So yeah, we have this now to get dev mode, which we need to pass in this class now. This is explainer HTML. So get Orbem area, we need dev mode now. Which we can get the same way as this shit here. Technically. Or we can do it like this. Is what I meant. This is in dev mode, so it's gonna be dev mode. Get dev mode HTML, and we need an item list, which we can build the same way, I'm guessing, as here. Item list is the same as this, so let's try this out. And this is dev mode. So walls are also a new thing I need to pass. Glad I saw that. That should be as easy as this though. Explore walls. Walls. Or is explore wall? I think it's wall. And missions. Don't we have missions? Oh shit, we're getting missions here. Map missions. Alright, let's move it on down. We need more stuff. Map missions. Though I feel like this is the HTML and not the missions themselves. So I'm a little worried about that. In fact, I think most of these... No, most of these are fine. Wait, how are we doing it here? Explore missions are... Oh, it's the same way. So maybe I just need to do this. That's weird. Oh, it's because I'm doing like HTML in there probably. Missions. Location. Location is area, right? Oh, position. Cool. Alright, this should work. And then dev mode I need to pass the same way. So, dev mode. Or I guess we can just pass it if it's needed, maybe. Oh, whatever. We'll just default dev mode to nothing. Cool. Grand, grand. Where's the error? There's an error somewhere. I don't see it. There's so much yellow. Well, nothing we can see. I see typos. Oh wait. Show me. All problems. Wait, what's the problem? Oh. Expected this 946. Oh. Gotcha. Good job. And that's it. Good. Thank you, Linter. Okay, so dev mode is being passed now. Which dev mode's getting passed to where? Because I'm passing the entire HTML of dev mode now. Which I think is all being passed in a specific dev mode container. Right? Yeah, I think it's this whole thing. Wait, what? Am I... Yeah, I gotta get rid of that. Okay, so this needs to just be added to primary, meaning I need to remove it first. Because I think these both need to get removed. Dev mode button. And then dev mode menu is what? Dev mode menu. Oh, dev mode menu. Correct. Let's remove. Remove. Okay. So now these should be gone, and we should be able to add these to the game container. Same thing, right? Yes, game container. So where's the game container? Container. I need to do the same thing. So let's do this. New. Oh, we can do this. Dev mode. If that's not equal, new map items. Dev mode. Or we can do this. That and yeah. Then dev mode equals that. And then we'll do the normal dev mode. Oh, let. Dev mode equals that. Coolio. Alright, that should have dev mode now. Let's see. After I compile. Alright. Oh my god, I keep doing that. I'm closing this. Fuck. I don't know why I keep clicking that. It's like I see the colors and it reminds me of Chrome, but it's Slack. Alright, let's try it. Boom! Any console errors? Nothing new. Let's see if dev mode does not exist. It does not. Okay. So that didn't work. Let's find out why. Wait, did I call it the right thing? Is it dev mode? It is dev mode. Dev mode should be that. Should work. Oh. Is admin even possible? It might not be in this context. I have the user ID. Oh, here we go. Maybe this will work. Yeah, I might have needed to do this actually. Let me try it now. It might not know I'm in dev mode. Yeah, okay, that was it. It just didn't know I was in dev mode. Still doesn't work. Let's find out why. We have this and we have the menu. The menu looks good. Okay, I think we just need to add the click events again. Because it looks like everything's good. Let's see, do we have the finder list? Yeah, look, it's correct. It pulled the right items in. Great. So once we get these click events put back together, we should be good to go. Yeah, so what's happening is when you're in here, this happens. I need to initialize all the click events again. here. So I'm doing that in a few places, right? Show next mission. Engage character selection. So this is adding the click events back in. All these checks. So let's add the dev mode check as well. Add dev mode. Whatever. Engage dev mode. Which this function needs to call basically the dev mode function. So how are we going to do this? Dev mode is a completely different thing. We basically need to rerun this whole JS file. Okay, we could do that. It's going to be function engage dev mode. Oh, god damn it. And I fucked up already. We'll go down here. What the fuck? Okay. This should technically work. What's blocking it? Oh. Looks like I fucked up somewhere. We're missing something, obviously. Wait, what is this for? Oh, okay. It's for a set timeout. Meaning we're screwing up somewhere else. Okay, hold on. Let's revert. Okay. So are all these in alignment? Or am I screwing up somewhere? So that's working. That's working. Oh, is it because of this function in here? Maybe that's why. I was trying to add it all the way down here. Okay, hold on. I don't need to... I think these functions they'll exist regardless. So let's start here. Engage dev mode. Okay. So this should now work. Okay. Yes. And let's export this. And then let's call it basically at the bottom of this. Not, yeah, here. Cool. So when you load this file, boom. But we'll need to load this here. We'll import it in here, which we're now importing everything properly, so it shouldn't be a big deal. Oh, I'm not importing anything so far. That's cool. There we go. That's what I meant to do. Dev mode. Dev mode, dev mode. Yeah, where am I engaged? Oh, here we go. Cool. Good to go. That file should, I mean, this function should exist. Which is coming from here. Which is coming from here. Which is coming from here. Okay, this should work. Oh, something's fucked up. Okay. It doesn't like the export. Syntax error. Import exports may only appear at the top level. That's not true. Let's try this then. No. Wait, how do I do this again? Maybe it's because it's inside the content loaded. Oh, I got it. Right. I got you, boo. There we go. That'll do it. Cool. That should work now. I'm getting fancy with it. Alright, let's see if that worked. Okay, so if dev mode opens and closes now, it worked. Yay! That's great. And look, it has all the items. It has the thingy doodads. Uh-oh. We lost. Oh, wait. This isn't working. Why not? Oh, is it because... Huh. Interesting. New additions isn't working. Content's good. Click event's not working. Is the click event outside of the scope? Oh, hold on. So here's the new add list. Click event. Is it here? Parse. Make new form sub. Add new form. Is this where the click event's happening? No. Maybe? No. Wait, where's the... Oh, here's open and close list. Where's the click event for the add new menu? Oh, is that inside of Explore? Shouldn't be. It might be, though. This is new. Tab mode menu. New edition. Let's see. Okay, it might be in here. It is. Oh, okay. Got it. Yeah, this is part of the whole settings cog shit. That's why. I need to check this out. We'll just do this instead then. I'll just add the click event here. I mean, in the thing. Setting cog has the close and open, so I'll need to add both of these. Whatever, we'll take this whole thing and then parse it out. And let's remove new addition from this so I'm not doubling up. Let's go. It won't be like before. We don't need this. And this should be it. Okay, Do you have the strength? Won't be like before. Yay! This opens. These open. God mode works. Collision map works. Alright, we're in business. Fuck yeah. That's solid. Okay. So that means going to a new area, we now have explainer menus. Which this one's connected to the menu, as you can tell. And it is triggerable. No, it's not. Am I in? Oh, whoops. Yeah, there we go. It's triggerable. We have items. And I think I have solved going to a new area too. So this is solid. We fixed it. We fixed everything. Good for us. Oh man. That's fantastic. Great. That was kind of a pain in my ass. So let's play a quick song and then we'll get started on the click and drag wall builder. Really close. That was one of the closest, I think. Alright. Full body shot. Let's try this again. So, yes. We fixed all the weird bugs. We should be in a good position now to work on the wall builder. So I want to do that. Now, I came up with the logic already. So we might be able to cannibalize the click and drag functionality for the whole mouse start, drag, end drag, move. Those three pieces of events are, you know, where we want to add all the logic. So it's going to be in dev mode. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Wall builder in dev mode. So we need to add a wall builder functionality. So engage wall builder first off. Well, it just seems like these functions are hittable, so let's just do that. Now, in this nice clean function, we need to build the wall builder tools. Now, I think I'll do the HTML like I have been doing. We'll do it inside the dev mode. Shit. The dev mode template. Right here. No, that's the class. Where's dev mode? Did I put dev mode in the start screen? I thought I put it in the dev mode. I thought I had a dev mode template. Do I not have a dev mode template? I do not. What a start screen. Alright, well, fuck me. That's fine. So, is admin. Let's add a new button. No, probably not. Not start screen, not start screen. Let's put it in the regular Explore template. Oh, I have a dev mode HTML function. That's what it is. So let's get that. That would be in here. Yeah, here we go. Okay. So we have a final list pinpoint. Okay, we need a wall builder. So let's add a new one. Wall builder. Bob the Builder. Yeah, you fix it. Bob the Builder. Wall builder. And this will be inside the components. Wall builder. Fantastic. Let's push the most recent shit we've done. Fix new area bugs and missing elements. Cool. I'm trying to be as clean as possible, and all the work I do, push it up so that I could always roll back and I could see what the differences are between the shit I've been doing. So, yeah, working on it. Did you know that there is an online store just for pedestals? I bought some pedestals a long time ago because we have some like museum items, and yeah, it's just a store specifically for pedestals. You know, little pillars that you put shit on. And they have an email list, and they send me like, hey, buy some more pillars. Like, the fuck? It's kind of a one-time deal, bruh. Okay, so what is a wall builder? First off, it's a trigger, so when you click it, you enter wall builder mode. Just like the pinpoint, I want to switch the cursor to something indicating that you are now in wall builder mode. And basically now, after that point, if you click and drag, you are building a wall, regardless. So it's on you. Your cursor is always the same until you turn it off. So let's look at how we're doing pinpoint real quick. And we're probably going to just basically do the same thing here. And instead of that, what's going to be the wall builder? It's going to be like a... Honestly, it should be this Unicode for like wrench and shit, but let's see what else we got. Build Unicode. Oh, here we go. We have like a construction Unicode. Not bad. What else we have? Anything else? Buildings. What about tool? Toolbox? See, toolbox might be better for that one. I think I might switch them. Let's do that, actually. Let's take the toolbox. We'll use that for that top menu. Oh, I guess it's the style option. New edition, you. We'll do that. We'll take you. And we'll steal you for wall builder. There we go. Yeah, I just think it's a better wall builder thing. So, this is wall builder. Open. Oh no. Engage. Wall builder. Yeah, I'll make it one word. It's fine. Okay. That being said, we also need to add... Where's pinpoint? We need to do the same thing here. Wall. Yeah, you get it. Bottom will be... Yeah, so where we're going to put this one? I want to kind of just put it above the pinpoint. So like right here. So instead of 13 on the bottom, we'll have to do like, I don't know. Maybe we'll come down from the top. 15 rem. Left. 1 rem. Position fixed. Z index 9. Cool. That's the container. And yeah, when it's engaged, I want it you to know, other than your cursor, obviously, I want you to also know. So maybe we'll do like font size is different. Do I have font size? Font size is 40. Yeah. Oh, engage wall builder. Is that what I called it? Yeah, engage wall builder. Do the same thing. Cursor pointer. And font size will be 40. Now, if it's engaged, I want engage wall builder font size to be bigger. I'll do 50. Maybe we'll make it a little bit more drastic so you can really tell the difference. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Oh, interesting. Oh, not interesting. Ho-ho, that is much different than I thought. Maybe 30 is too small. Oh, that's an ID. My bad. I don't think that's too small. I just think I didn't have the font size in there. There we go. So this is wall builder. You click it, it engages. Okay. Engage wall builder. So now dev mode. Engage wall builder. So we have const engage wall builder. Good, good. Equals document dot get element of ID. Engage wall builder. If engage add event, yes, click, and this is going to turn oh, we need the container. No, this is a class and it's one. This is query selector, and then we're going to take the wall builder container and class list dot add engage. Engage. Great. What am I doing wrong? Click. Oh, my bad. I went crazy for a second, like I had a stroke. Alright, cool. So now, hey, look, I like the toolbox. Boop. The toolbox is cool. Like, here's your toolbox. So now, if I click this, oh, it's not working. Why you no work? Oh, it did work. Oh, this is supposed to get bigger. Oh, it's a ID, I forgot. Alright, there we go. Wait, what did I just see that I thought was weird? I think I need to toggle it. Not add, we need to do toggle. Cool. So, if it's engaged, wall builder mode is engaged. And we need to change the cursor. So, cursor, same thing. If wall builder container dot classes contains engage, else default, I guess. Okay, so it's not going to be copy though. It's going to be something new. Let's see what the cursor types are again. Oh, this was cool. Oh no, I think these were Unicodes, right? These are like interesting Unicodes. No, I need cursor types. Again. I need pictures. Here we go. Default menu. Maybe the table cell, the plus button, that's kind of like building. I do like the little hand. That's cool. Oh wait, we can see what they look like. Yeah, that's kind of good. Oh, this is kind of good too. So is that. No, it's not good enough. Or maybe this, because it's like pointing in the direction you're going to build a wall. Is that it? Is that all you have for me? I want everything. Alright, we're going for the table cell. It's called cell. Cell, cell, cell. Let's try again. Okay, let's try it out. So now, when you enter, and you're in dev mode, and you click, that gets bigger, and now this is a cell. Cool. That's a pretty good indicator of what's going on. Or maybe I should make it like blink. We should animate it. I don't like doing animations, but let's see if we can do that real quick. Animate. Don't I have animations? I thought I had animations. Hold on. Wait. It's like step? No. I thought I had animations in here. Give me a CSS glowing animation. I just don't feel like writing my own animation. Yeah, keyframes. That's what I was looking for. Right. Do. So let's do this. Oh, good. And it has the color I like anyways. Where is it? Wall builder. Okay, here we go. Engage. See, I don't think it needs to get that big, but this needs to happen for sure. Okay, let's try it up. Okay. We go boop and boop. That is not exactly what I had in mind. Definitely don't need the background color. padding's not a big deal. Border radius is fine. Let's make it faster though. Just want it to be a little bit more noticeable. That's pretty good. It's kind of pulsing, so you know what's happening. Can probably fix the box shadow a little bit. Let's see here. Engage. So yeah, the box shadow's a little messy. Got it. So it's using the box shadow as the shit. So let's go to glow down here. And let's mess around. So it's transitioning from one to the other. So let's make it smaller maybe. Oh wait, what's the second part? I want to get rid of the spread. I forget which one that is. Let's just make these both smaller maybe. By 5. Let's try that maybe. Yeah, it's not bad. So you're now in wall builder mode. You can toggle it off. Honestly, I'm not seeing the point of having it be bigger. I think we can like settle on a 40 as a good size in general. Don't need text align or any of that. I don't think we need color either. Yeah, so it's kind of just the animation, current box shadow. Sure. Alright. There you go. Yeah, so it just kind of lets you know you're in builder mode. I can probably do the same thing actually for top. Let's do it for pinpoint too. Let's do this. So pinpoint container. We'll do open pinpoint. Add a little bit of a glare. And then pinpoint container I need to make engaged. So pinpoint container on click. This is just a pinpoint. Where's pinpoint container? What is it? Pinpoint contain. Okay, it's a class. Pinpoint container. And so when you click this, let's do the same shit. Let's add a class. Pinpoint container. Class list. Toggle. Should we do toggle? I think when you click it, it gets the coordinates. Oh, this is when shit happens. Ah, okay. So in that case, we'll add here. And then when you click, we'll remove. Right. Yes, it's tracking. Where's the input values that I'm filling? Oh, it's right here. Ah, okay, here we go. Pinpoint container, remove. Perfect. That should work. Just showing that it's engaged. Just want to make it a little bit more obvious. What just happened? I got logged out. Why you logged me out? I gotta update that. I don't know why it's not asking me to update. Okay, we got that. Pinpoint. There we go. So pinpoint's good. And then we click. Stops glowing. Fantastic. Alright, cool. Enough of the fun stuff. Okay, so now that we know when the wall builder is engaged, now we need to add the whole click and drag functionality. Another click event. Another click and drag event. These are actually kind of annoying because there's so many like events. Like you got drag start, drag up, mouse move, mouse up. Draggable. So let's do it again. Basically we need a new one. Handle, blah, blah, blah. But in this case, it doesn't matter what we're holding anymore. We don't have to drag anything. It's kind of like the pinpoint. Like, if I go to the pinpoint, I'm using similar shit. But, I'm doing different things with it. So let's do this. We need to add a new click and mouse move event. Then we need to remove it again, just like this. I am removing them, right? Yeah, remove. So we'll go down here. So, if it's here, we'll engage. If it's not, we'll remove. Actually, we need to remove when you let go, so that's fine. We don't need to do this set timeout. I don't know, maybe we do. We don't need any of this. We can move these. Here we go. We'll add these functions. And this is going to be on click. It's going to be start. Oh no, this is just a click event. I don't need that. Mouse move. Wait. How are we doing mouse down? Yeah, I think I need to use the drag functionality better. Handle. Where's the add? Close. No. Where's the whole... Okay, yeah, drag start. Yeah, I need these. So it's more like this. Okay. It's going to be handle wall drag start, wall drag end. And we're not dragging, so it's just document. Just a general click and drag. Mouse move. So it's going to be... Oh wait, what is this one? Oh, you know what? I gotta not fuck around with this. Okay. Let's go to the drag functions and get those. I feel like those are going to be more applicable. Yeah, because here's drag start. Blah, blah, blah. Drag end. Drag end. Okay. Well, all these functions. So, drag start. We're going to do handle wall drag start. First off, when you start to drag, I need to create an element, which is going to be the wall. Send item coordinate timeout. Oh yeah, we're not doing that. But we are going to do saving the wall. So save wall timeout. I don't know why I would. I don't think I need this though. I'm not worried about them like duck, 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 duck. You know what I mean? Because I want it to create if they do that. So let's actually not do that. Prevent default. Now we're not dragging, but we are going to create. So wall element equals document create element. And that's going to be a div. Wall element. Oh wait, let's do this. Wall element. Class name. I'm going to have to get the exact one, but it's going to be like map item. You know, something like that. Explore. Wall. What did I just made walls. What did I do for walls? I did a wall. Yeah, as like a list of items. So what is the wall? It's getting made during normal item creation. So it would be down here. Wall. Uh-huh. Array merge. Uh-huh. It's nothing. There's nothing special. She's just using default shit. Alright. Well, I think I have a wall on the first level, so I'll get it later. Whatever. Map item. That works. I think it has like an ID. That's what it is. When you click, it literally needs to do a fetch call. No. I think what I was going to do was add the ID after the fact. So let's just leave a map item. And wall element will make it draggable. Draggable equals true. Okay, cool. So this is when you initially start to drag your mouse. And then I need the current point that I am clicking on, which is the same thing as pinpoint. And I need to set the wall element to that point. And then as I drag, I need to change the height and width of the element. It's going to get a little complicated, but let's see if we can get this. Calculate the offset from the mouse. So this is like to drag with the mouse. I don't want to do that, but the element, this calculate the offset of the mouth from the top left corner of the container. Okay. So let's not do that, but let's do this. We definitely need to do this. So this is going to handle, and this is going to start the mouse move. So handle wall mouse move. Is that what I did? No, no, no. I'll need to do that too. Wall mouse move. Wall mouse move. Okay, cool. Okay. This is a lot more work than I want to do at 12:28. So we will call it a night. Hey, Dean TV, thanks so much for jumping on. Birdie Airsoft, always a pleasure, my friend. Samanama, thank you so much as well. And hey, Lorenzo, keep hacking, man. Keep doing your thing. I appreciate your time as well. And everybody else who's watching in the future, come see me in person. Streams are more fun when you talk to me. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe all the videos, all the streams, all my short streams, and keep track of the progress. Don't forget also that the Harmonian Chronicles are available. The whole thing that started this WordPress game engine stuff on Amazon. So feel free to pick this up to follow along with the storyline of the game and understand what the hell's going on. And, you know, check out orbem.shop. We have a bunch of things for sale related to Orbem and including Flex keys, which are still available for the low price of $4.99. And believe me, I wouldn't be able to play half as fast or program all day in code like I mentioned without these. So they do a lot to benefit our kind. And yeah, I'll catch you all on the next one. Have a good night. Have a good day. Happy Friday. We made it. Woo! And hopefully I'm streaming tomorrow, but new summer hours are going to be coming out soon. Tomorrow's the last day of school for the kids, so I will be streaming later. Because the kids go to sleep later, I have time later. So, it's usually about 45 minutes to an hour later every night, somewhere like 11:15. But I stream till a later hour now, you know, closer to 1. So, those will be the new hours starting next week. But tomorrow should be fairly similar to a normal Friday, which is 11:15 anyway. So, have a great time. Have a great weekend if I don't see ya. And whatever.